Mnafe yako my Ghana yemrashe bedroom na Adom kumano enka ne wono mba no deni Harry na Idrisu wasan ya ma nkomo bi so ho ni na eye free Shs na opanyini kire se de my Ghana sese sika semasi ato ape no ebe ya nka mpanimfo hwenye nsatraye wom se be ya abatane a wonsa so wachi adware ne betibetua wo mo school fees na ne wo mo da form kra no aban no atua ma wo mo na sa menti bi ho asi ye Adom kumano Adom Kasee na ma mo so e wo ye mrashe bedroom a wo mo twetwe ho nkomo sei
enka ne Adom kumano penimpa Harry na Idrisu edi atodwa e wo mrahye bedwafie se de free senior high school ne kono enyade omanfo ani gye won senti obesresa ka ban enhwehwe mu yie biem se be yi a awofo a wo mo ebetimi atua wo school fees no oma won kwan no wontua.
I'm concluding that Ghana needs to take advantage of UNESCO's advice on secondary education. How accessible is it? What is the quality? Are we running a secondary education system that produces quantity and not quality? And Mr. Speaker, my controversial point, Ghana needs a means test.
Asemi uchuma mentwe ebepie mu mrahye bedwafie ema majority chief whip Adom pre enso editudwa se omanfo adwenkere ewo free senior high school ho no ni se ekata trimupa a ewo sa school hyehyeye eso.
On the free Shs, as our senior colleague passed a comment on, I think we must also admit that it is work in progress. A policy starts from somewhere, it moves to its germination stage until it matures. And the minister is a person who is very amenable to very good suggestions. But one thing you cannot take away is the relevance and the importance of the free Shs, which has come to set the stage and really dealing with the grinding poverty that is confronting the good people of this country.
Oni nyina mu no omasuaswafo Dr. Yawoseye Duchum edi atomrahye bedwafo anim se aban no asai Ghana cedi opepennum ekiripodon kuno ewo free senior high school enko aho efra fempinu dun sumu besi afempinu ne aduonu baako.
For the period under review, that is 2017 to 2021, the Ministry of Finance approved allocation for the implementation of the free senior high school program amounted to 7,623,783,450 cedis. During the period under review, the Ministry of Finance released a total amount of 5,182,205,131 Ghana cedis and 91 pesos to the Ministry of Education